Welcome back to our chapter-by-chapter summary of the power of your subconscious mind. Today, we're diving into Chapter 15, How to Attract Abundance. In this chapter, Dr. Murphy explains how to use your subconscious mind to attract abundance in all areas of your life, including wealth, success, and happiness. Dr. Murphy reveals a powerful truth. Abundance is your natural state. You were born to live a life filled with prosperity and joy. However, many people block this abundance by focusing on lack or scarcity. To unlock abundance, you must change the way you think. Dr. Murphy suggests using a simple affirmation: abundance is my birthright. I am attracting prosperity into my life. Repeat this affirmation regularly and feel the positive emotions associated with abundance. Visualization is another key tool. Imagine yourself living the abundant life you desire, whether it's financial wealth, success, or happiness. Picture yourself surrounded by all the things you want to attract and feel gratitude for them. The subconscious mind works to bring whatever you focus on into your life. So when you focus on abundance and prosperity, your subconscious will start creating opportunities for you to achieve them. The key takeaway: you are worthy of abundance. By shifting your thoughts and beliefs, you open yourself to a life of endless possibilities. That wraps up Chapter 15. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to use the power of your subconscious mind to heal relationships. Like, comment, and subscribe. And don't miss the next chapter.